Hello everyone, this is Orange Tree Productions and today I'm going to show you the Nokia 603 smartphone. It was originally released in October 2011 as a substitute for the Nokia 600 smartphone, which was cancelled at the last minute for unknown reasons. On the front, we have the proximity sensor, the earpiece, the 3.5-inch NHD resolution LCD capacitive touchscreen with clear black technology that is supposed to provide better outdoor visibility as compared to conventional LCDs. Here we have the call key, the menu key, as well as the hang up key cum power on and off key. On the bottom, here we found a place for the lanyard strap. The left side has nothing of anything worthy to talk about. On the right side, we have the volume key as well as the shutter key. The top, we have the lock key, the headphone jack, then the micro USB port. And on the back, we have the 5-megapixel fixed focus camera with 720p resolution max video recording. And this is the loudspeaker area. When we remove the back cover, we can see something quite interesting, the NFC antenna. Nokia was one of the first smartphone manufacturers to heavily pioneer NFC and was making NFC a standard on most of its phones long before anybody else. Removing the back cover, we have access to the BP3L battery, which is rated at 1300 mAh, 3.7 volts, and it uses a micro SIM card slot. Micro SD slot is located right over here. It accepts micro SDs up to 32 GB. So now let's turn it on. Alright, we are now at the home screen of the Nokia 603 running Symbian Bell Feature Pack 1. It has a maximum of up to 6 home screens you can add. And unlike Android, each home screen can have its own distinct wallpaper. You also have widgets similar to that like Android. Let me show you. Quite a nice variety of widgets out of the box. You could have added more through OV App Store back when the phone was new, but OV App Store has since shut down, although you can use other alternatives if you still want to get third-party apps and widgets on Symbian Bell smartphones. You also have something like a notifications pane like Android, but the quick toggles are fixed and you cannot add any more. This is where you get widget shortcuts and change wallpapers, delete the home screen. Oops. The dialer and the app drawer. The app drawer is arranged by 3x4 grid format. Although if you want to, you can also use list view if you wish to, or add folders like how you add them in iOS, something like that if I'm not wrong. Okay, so now let's take a look at the ringtones first. Right? Now let's take a look at the camera. As I mentioned previously, the camera is only 5 megapixel fixed focus, which means that you cannot do macro shots or go into very detailed close-ups like most phones do. And the amount of tactics you can get is pretty basic but still reasonable, I think, for a phone of this caliber and age. Last but not least, let's take a look at a few features of the Nokia Bell OS on the Nokia 603 itself. I think you'll find some of them pretty interesting. Okay, so that's it about the Nokia 603 itself. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you soon in the next video.